Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add substitute on Deliveroo in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Deliveroo application on your mobile device. Over here, you need to select a grocery store or the supermarket from the list of the available merchants. Afterwards, simply add the items that you wish to purchase on your basket. Once you have finished selecting your products, you just have to click on the option of view basket button at the bottom of the screen. Then when you scroll down to the list of the items in your cart, you just have to click on the option of add substitute button, which will be located directly beneath each specific product. Then select your preferred backup item from the suggested list and search for a specific alternative. You can also click on the substitution preferences in order to choose between the pick for me or do not substitute or choose a specific item. Afterwards, you need to finalize the process by clicking on the go to checkout button. And once your order is placed, you will see the confirmation that your substitute choices are saved and your rider will follow these instructions if any of the items are unavailable. That's how you can do it. Thank you.